Today, I'm going to show you how to achieve a simple, burnt-out black caviar look on an old vintage dresser. It's a simple, classic finish using only one paint color, Caviar by Dixie Belle. This beautiful dresser was solid wood but has seen better days. It was in need of a makeover badly and some repair work was necessary. First things first, let's check the piece and see what repairs are going to be needed. I cleaned the entire piece with white lightning. White lightning is a powdered base cleaner that you add to warm water and clean your piece. The base of the piece was in great condition, but the top was split and warped. I removed it with a rubber mallet and a screwdriver. After I removed the top, I was able to access the inside of the dresser easily. I used my wood glue to secure all the loose joints. Using Dixie Belle's mud in brown, I filled in some of the massive scrapes and gouges. I also repaired a small section of wood where the wood was cracked and missing. I used my Big Mama's butter to lubricate the wood-on-wood drawer slides. After the mud had dried on the repaired areas as well as the original drawer holes, I sanded back to flat. Wipe down the surface one more time to make sure you've removed any dust and debris. This is a very simple effect to achieve. It's basically a black wash finish. You're going to use one color in Caviar, apply it to a small section of the dresser. While the paint is still wet, you're going to spray it with a spray misting bottle and wipe back with a cloth or a paper towel. You can choose to add more paint and build your layers and darken and deepen the edges. Since we removed the broken and damaged top, it's time to build a new one. I used scrap wood that I found in my shed. I cut it to size, sanded the edges evenly, and then used my hammer and nails along with the screwdriver to age the piece in a rustic look. Part of the rustic look for this dresser is to use black screws. I like black screws because I drill down from the top on each plank to secure it to the dresser. Let's stain the planks for the top of this dresser. I used Colonial Black Gel Stain. I wiped it on with a rag in the direction of the wood grain. You can use no paint gel stain on raw wood or already previously stained finishes. I applied one even coat of gel stain. After my gel stain had dried, I drilled the planks down on top of the dresser. Let's seal the piece. I used Dixie Belle's clear coat in satin on the base and the top of the dresser. What an easy way to achieve a beautiful deep dark finish. It's a simple way to apply a black wash to a dresser using only one color of Dixie Belle paint. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe. You can purchase any of these products used in this video in the comments below.
you.